to process those feelings, that can be a good way to begin to get to some clarity about what's happening. Obviously, if you're feeling depressed or anxious or, you know, are having, a lot of times there's trauma involved with these relationships in terms of, um, the victim having bad dreams and intrusive thoughts and hypervigilance and things like that. I think if that's going on, then you'll want to reach out and get help in some capacity for sure. But those are just some things to be on the lookout for. Because they are essentially trying to tear down your sense of self-worth and self-esteem. So to begin to heal, you have to begin to regain that back. And so by beginning to let yourself honor your own feelings, let yourself trust your own judgment, bringing that power back to you, not letting the other person's behavior and moods dictate